Hello everyone, this is Yamin and welcome to Web Knowledge. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about Laravel Maintenance Mode, specifically this command called PHP artisan down. So over here you can see this is our Laravel project, and let's say you want to fix some bug or you want to change some front-end design or something else. So for that case, let's say your website is on live and you want to have your website in maintenance mode. So for it, what we need to do is that we just need to run this command called PHP partition down. So for it, we just so here you can see this is the command prompt, and here our project is running. So what we are going to do is that we'll open another CMD here, and we're going to run this command called PHP partition down. And if we press enter, here you can see application is now in maintenance mode. So if we now just refresh here you can see service unavailable 503, and let's say your work is done and you want to up the server. So for it, all you have to do is that you just have to write over here PHP partition up, press enter, and if we now refresh, here you can see the previous view. So over here you can see some more command. Here you can see PHP partition down, refresh equal to 15, it means 15 seconds. So let me just copy this command, copy, and we'll paste it over here again. Okay, let's, instead of 15, let's say here only 5, and let's press enter. So here you can see application is now in maintenance mode, and here if you refresh, here you can see service unavailable. Now if we just write over here PHP artisan up and press enter, we want press the refresh button, it will automatically refresh the web page. Here you can see it automatically take us to this page. Now let's talk about some more thing. Here you can see PHP partition down, it's almost the same as refresh. Now we'll also talk about this command, but we'll talk about at the end. Now let's talk about one more command. Over here you can see PHP partition vendor publish tag Laravel errors. Let me just copy this command, copy, and before we run this command, let's just go to my project folder, and over here you can see in the view there is no folder over here. But if we run that command, run this command, it will create a folder called error. Let me just paste the command over here. You can see PHP partition vendor Laravel error. Okay, whatever, just press enter, and here you can see publishing complete. And if we just go to our Sublime text again, and here you can see we have a new folder called errors, and if we go to the folder 503.blade.php, here you can see service unavailable written over here. Now let's just have our server down again. Let's say here PHP partition down. Okay, now if we refresh, here you can see service unavailable. Now if we just change something over here, so instead of service unavailable, let's say here this page is under maintenance. If we just save it, and if we now refresh, here we can see this page is under maintenance. Okay, there is a mistake. Okay, that's fine. You should change the design of this page. Here you can write anything, whatever you want. You can just change the design over here. Now let's say you don't want to use this design. So in that case, let's say you want to use your own maintenance page. So for that case, what you can do is that let's just create a folder file over here. Let's click new file, and let's say our file name will be down.blade.php. Let's save it, and here let's write some simple HTML. In the title, let's say maintenance, and in the body let's just mention a div, and inside this div let's say h1, and inside it we are going to say this page is under maintenance, and let's just write another h2 tag, and let's say inside it let's say come back After some time, let's save it. Okay, so now we have a page called down.plate.php. So what we are going to do is that here we are going to say php addition down, then we'll give this double hyphen, then we'll say render equal to, we'll give double quotation, and inside it we are going to mention the page name, which is down. Let's press enter. Now if we refresh here, okay, so for that case, let's just up our server again, up, then let's say here this one. Now let's refresh. So here you can see the message call, this page is under maintenance. So you can customize your own maintenance page whatever you want. So here, okay, if we just go a little bit down, here you can see php addition down redirect slash equal to slash. This thing is basically almost the same as this command, php addition down render. So okay, now let's talk about this command, php addition down secret. What is this and how it works? Now let's say you are a developer and you don't want the user to have access in the website or in the page, whatever you want to say. But since you are a developer, you want to have access to the page. So we'll use this command called php addition down secret. So let me just copy this, Control C. Now let's go to our command prompt and let's up our server first. Let's say here php addition up. Now let's say here php addition down secret. This command we say secret equal to, over here we need to give a secret. Let's say here secret equal to abcde. So now let's press enter, and here we can see application is now in maintenance mode. So right now if we just refresh here, you can see this page is under maintenance. So the user cannot access to this page, but since we write over here secret equal to abc, so if we just give over here slash abcde and press enter, here you can see the developer will have the access to this page if he know the secret. So these are the developer can have access to the page even if the page is under maintenance. So user will see the page is under maintenance, but the developer will have access because of the secret. And the benefit of using this secret is that the admin just need to have like write the slash abcde only once, and he don't have to write the slash abcde multiple times. So that's the benefit, and that's how the admin or the developer have access to the page when the page is under maintenance. So I hope this tutorial was helpful, and if you have any question you can ask me in the comment section, and if you want to say thanks then please subscribe to my channel. So thanks again for watching, stay tuned and stay healthy.